3.
Odin is the god of war in Norse mythology. When Odin brandishes his spear in his hand, flashes of lightning strike the land of mankind. We cast aside the existing appearance and limitations of a traditional computer mouse and design the world's first laser projection mouse. The cutting-edge Odin detects reflection signals with infrared sensors instead of traditional cameras so that Odin can have a higher resolution. This makes our laser projection mouse suitable for designers, office workers, or video gamers. Odin not only breaks through traditional limitations, but is also lightweight and can be easily stored. Just plug it in, and you'll be able to use Odin anywhere, anytime.
2.
Introducing s.n.mobile Wireless, the world's first wireless scanner mouse. Our product is small and portable and gives users more freedom than ever before. It's the ultimate solution for working anywhere with just a click. Everything you scan will display instantly on your computer screen. Work smart and increase your efficiency with s.n.mobile Wireless. It has the ability to scan tables and text in only a few swipes. You can even direct edit on your documents. Plan your romantic journey by using s.n.mobile Wireless. Just glide s.n.mobile Wireless over travel books and magazines and create the ultimate itinerary in a snap. Found something worth sharing with your friends? Simply swipe s.n.mobile Wireless over the area you like and share on your social media pages with a single click.
1.